Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRZT. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's nice move, there are certainly some updates here that need to be done. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is some house cleaning and just get rid of both of these lines here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but they're not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter, which can lead to confusion. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward, and that would be at 0.011. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above that level, that would certainly make it look the strongest and, the healthiest going forward. Next level of support after that is really just taking the step back and looking at the big picture of things, and this should sound familiar for those of you that have watched the past videos, but it continues to be all about the purple line. Now, this assumes you care about grand scheme of things, big picture. As the name implies, moving average, this line is going to keep on moving upwards. And as I've said in the past, as long as the price stays above that purple line, if you want to picture that as a trend line, if the price is up above an uptrending trend line, well, that itself implies that the price is uptrending, which is what a long-term bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they insult your intelligence. So yeah, assuming you care about the grand scheme of things and aren't some day trader, that just bought right there and you want to sell now within 2.7 seconds tomorrow morning. If you're not that and you care about, like I said, the grand scheme of things, then yeah, a very cut and dry way to continue to measure this, as I've said, is as long as the price is above the purple line, bulls are in full control. And with that, you don't have to worry about getting scared out with moves like this, because pullbacks are part of the game. And as this one has shown us, as long as each pullback leads to a higher low, those pullbacks prove to be healthy as the price, made a jump to a new high today. So all in all, nice day, nice start to the week, and as long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, or if you want to look at those as stair steps, then the long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So great start to the week. It'll be interesting to see just how much more momentum the bulls can pick up. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.